Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix TikTok shop not showing. So let's get started. So if you can't find TikTok shop icon in the bottom of your screen in TikTok and you want to access that feature. So to access that feature, what you have to do is first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening up your TikTok application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right. Then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on creator tools. After tapping on creator tools, you should find the TikTok shop option over here. So to access the TikTok shop feature, you should be eligible. So your account must be in good standard. Your account should follow community guidelines and meet the following requests. So your account should have over 1000 followers. So if your account does not have over 1000 followers, then you can't access the TikTok shop feature, and your account should be at least 18 years old. So if your account is below 18, then you can't access that feature. So just make sure that you follow those two options. And if your account meets those two requirements, then you can access the TikTok shop feature in your TikTok application. So that's it guys, this is how to fix TikTok shop not showing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.